And now to the other stories we are tracking for you this evening. Now, desilting the Meethi River, remember, is an annual exercise. Starting April the 5th this year, the work is only about 53% complete. The deadline, remember, is May the 31st. And this clearly means that there could be a lot of areas along its bank vulnerable to flooding during the monsoon because the work is still not done. Now, desilting this highly polluted river ground to a near halt after 2 of the 3 contractors involved were recently charged in an alleged scam. This is a scam that runs into about 65 crores, and the third here was blacklisted for mixing debris in the silt to just manipulate its weight. So why has this been happening? What happens from here on and the action? This is our colleague Radhika getting you the latest.
Meethi River is an important water body in the city of Mumbai. In fact, it acts as a natural stormwater drain that extends from Powai all the way to Mahim. I am at the Mahim stretch of Meethi River. Of course, as you can see, this river is dirty. It is completely clogged as a result of the desilting work, which is supposed to be carried out and completed ahead of the monsoons, is not complete. And the reason is because of Meethi River scam that is being probed by the EW of the Mumbai Police. The 3 contractors who were in charge of the Meethi River desilting process have been named in the scam. 2 of them have been blacklisted, 2 of them, one of them absconding, which is why now the desilting work that is supposed to be completed ahead of monsoons is not over. Only 53% of work is over, which means the river that acts as a way to prevent flooding, acts as a natural barrier to flooding, may not be able to seep in, take in excess water due to waterlogging when it starts raining heavily. Probably one of the reasons why when it rained the first time, which was a couple of days back in Mumbai, there was a lot of waterlogging in many areas in western as well as eastern suburbs of Mumbai. So yes, Meethi River desilting is something that happens on an annual basis. It is carried out by the BMC, but this time the entire desilting exercise has been embroiled in controversy. People have been arrested in connection to the case. There are financial irregularities in terms of the procurement of devices and machinery, which is why now the work is not in progress. And BMC has been trying to get new contractors, but nobody is really coming forward to do this work. So one of the most important pre-monsoon work, which is the desilting of Meethi River, is not being carried out as a result of the scam that it is embroiled itself into. And now we'll have to see how this could impact monsoons in the city of Mumbai.